we were looking at equipment, a few things that were really important to us was one, we need to be 100% electric. Electric was a two-part goal for us. One, that we didn't want to have other energy resources needed to do our business. But two, we have a long-term goal of being 100% sustainable in the way of bringing in solar power. Now, the next part that came into play when we were looking and sourcing equipment was there's plenty of roasters and coffee offerings in the marketplace. We needed to have something new and something different to bring to the market. And as we started to search for our equipment and looking for things that were only running with 100% electricity, it became a very narrowed field, right? And as we started combing through the different pieces of equipment, we came across the air motion roasters. And then we contacted Rick, and it turned out Rick was in our backyard, so it was a wonderful opportunity to look at this equipment as we're going into this build, that we had somebody that was that close that we could work with. Once we were able to play with the machines and actually roast on the machines, we knew it was a lock after that. It was a done deal. We had something different. The Air Motion Roaster's finished product, because of its design and the way it takes the negative things out of the roast, like the smoke and the seed husk and whatnot, during the roast process, being an open chamber and suspending the beans, and the way it is able to take the air and push and develop the beans all the way through to the middle, was a game changer in the end cup. When we put that into a cup and we tried it, we knew this was the way forward for us. So as we've gotten through and developed our roast profiles, and this is the master roaster, Crystal does all the roasting. As we've developed our roast profiles and we've gone to market, the excitement around the product has been really exciting for us. So we're seeing the difference that air motion roasting over traditional roasting methods is having an impact in the marketplace. So what people are saying about our coffee and how excited they are because it's different, it's smooth, it tastes like coffee. It doesn't have a bit burnt or bitter tasting notes to it. It's just the flavor of the coffee. It's a game changer, and we see it. We see the future. We're running with it now.